Well guys, what's up? Welcome back to another great episode. My name is Mair. Today I'm sharing plant-based tofu spaghetti recipe. Alright, so let's get straight into the video. I have fresh tomato puree right here. Add right in your pan. Have a little bit vegetable oil at the bottom. Add vegetable oil in your pan and fresh tomato puree. So this is plant-based recipe. I have banza made from chickpeas spaghetti. We will open one pack of the banza spaghettis. If you guys see right here, these are all made from chickpeas. Anyway, so this is the pot. It has water, it has a little bit salt. We'll put all our spaghetti, one whole pack right here. So just let it rest right here. We will boil these spaghettis at least for 8 minutes. So after adding the tomatoes in our vegetable oil, let's move towards the recipe. This is garlic powder. Add at least half tablespoon. I'm not giving you the recipe quantity this time because it depends for how many people you guys are making. But here what I'm making is for 4 people. So it's gonna be 4 servings. Red chili powder, half tablespoon. Table salt, half tablespoon. White pepper powder, half tablespoon. Oh, it has an aroma, the sense of the dried chilies is rising. So for now, give it a little bit mix. Here I have oregano, it's fresh oregano. Okay, it's organic. We will just need the leaves, so get it from the top and try to take out the leaves only. So we need at least, quantity wise, how about 3 stems, 3 whole stem like this of oregano leaves right here. So we are making our homemade red sauce for our plant-based tofu spaghetti, right? Okay, I'll add one more because it has a nice aroma. So if you pull the stem from the top and just move your finger, all the leaves, oregano leaves are done. Give it a mix. Our noodles are getting boiled, so it's another 5 minutes for the noodles. Give it a little bit stir. So the tomatoes, the sauce, the salt, the dry spices, everything gets fried up a little bit. Alright, so this is our organic. It says certified vegan tofu. If you guys see the badge, certified vegan, right? So I'll slice it from the middle. I'll try to take this whole block out since tofu is so soft by nature. And it's the extra firm one. So make cubes out of the tofu. Okay, first we will add these. If you guys think the tofu is less, later we can add this, and I'm giving a cut from the middle as well. Right, looks good. Our tomatoes are getting roasted. Let's check on our spaghetti so far. Just need 4 to 5 more minutes. So far I have 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil in here and 3 tomatoes, half tablespoon of red chili, half tablespoon of white pepper. I have salt. I have oregano, the fresh, maybe 4 fresh stems, not the whole stem, just the leaves. So once you add a little bit more oil, like you guys see, it's forming a good color now. Everything is getting stir fried very perfectly. Alright, so I have carrots and peas right here. I have white onion and bell peppers. They all go in here. Quantity wise, use half of the onion, half of the bell pepper, and peas, 1 whole teacup of peas. We will add our tofu right here. Once you add the tofu, you don't have to stir the mixture all the way. You just let it fry itself. And this is all our vegan tofu. Alright, so just give it a little bit stir, so all the flavors they get mixed up. If you guys want me to add more tofu, you can do that, but I will keep it at this stage, at this point, just half of it. Let me tell you the quantity about tofu. So this is 14 ounces whole. I'm using the half, so 7 ounces for 4 people. Add a pinch of salt on top of the tofu. So it's been 7 minutes. We will drain our spaghetti right here. Run with some cold water right on top and just rinse it. It had the salt, and rinsing with fresh cold water will keep the texture of the spaghetti evenly. Alright, all set. Drain the excess water. Fresh spaghetti right here, right on top. Get 2 spoons together and just now mix it up. Oh wow, so easy and delicious and fresh, plant-based, right, with the right amount of spice and the vegetables. Oh yeah, oh yeah, so tempting at the moment. It's like I just want to take my fork and just dive into it. But wait a little bit, give it a little 5 minutes for all the ingredients to settle in and form a balanced taste right in there. Take 2 fresh green onions or 3, chop the excess part, put it on the side. This is the cleaner stem, and just chop it. If you guys see here, just chop it, you know. We need the greens of the onion. So this is spring onion and we just need the greens. You can add the white ones too, but the greens. We already have onion in our recipe so far. Grab your onion, sprinkle it right on top of it. Yummalicious. Give another mix, just like this. So easy recipe, right? Packing a bomb flavor right on top. All perfectly done, guys. Another 5 minutes on another couple minutes on a medium flame, and that's how it is, guys. It's all almost done. Plant-based tofu spaghetti. It's ready, guys. It's been 5 minutes. It has been cooking itself. This is plant-based. The ingredients are plant-based. Every single piece in here, it's made from plants. That's the best, right? Here you go, guys. Let me give you some B-roll shot. right, so the moment of truth. Here it goes. Oh wow, it's steamy. Why I always have to taste this steaming food? Okay, so chickpea spaghetti, tofu right there. Oh wow, take a closer look. It's a best ultimate bite. There you go. Do try this recipe by yourself, and then you will be amazed. Everything is right on point. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I will see you on the next one. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. Do try this plant-based tofu spaghetti, and you will be amazed. The recipe I have shared here with you, everyone in your family, they're gonna love it.